Hello everyone. Today I am going to start a new section in my channel. This section is mainly about sociological understanding of social and natural phenomena of the world. In this section I will pick up various issues related to society, economy, culture, polity, global issues, nature, environment, ecology, and how can we deal with these issues sociologically? How can we analyze? How can we find a sociological result, sociological discourse, and sociological conclusion, sociological solution of these issues and problems? So today I am going to start this section with a very interesting topic. This topic is about cleaning and sweeping occupation or profession. Cleaning and sweeping occupation and profession. How can we sociologically understand this profession? Often this profession is considered as the most degraded and lowest in the socio-economic hierarchy. Why? Because the works and activities attached with this occupation is very dirty, unclean. So these occupations or the peoples attached with these occupations are considered as the most lowest in socio-economic hierarchy or most degraded, even outcasted. Nobody wants to have a physical and social proximity with them. Nobody wants to maintain a social relation with them. So the peoples who are involved in this particular occupation are getting actually excluded and marginalized, even if they are performing a very essential, inevitable and significant job in the society. Without this job, no human civilization, no human society can exist in order. Cleaning and sweeping. So we see generally in our surrounding that human beings get into the drain and the well and clean the drains and clean the wells, and that is why their occupation is considered as unclean. Now what do we think about the improvement of this particular profession or occupation or the people who are involved in it? Because they are also the part of the society, they are also part of the population. Their upliftment, their well-being can play a better role in developing social well-being, in developing the society, in developing the nation. So how can we think for a change? Here we can think of the technological intervention. Now there may be another question that technology may replace them from the job. Here we are not talking about the replacement of the humans with the technology. Here we are talking about technological support of the people, that is mainly propounded by the Industry 5.0 and Society 5.0 concept. The Industry 5.0 concept mainly introduced in the Europe and Society 5.0 concept introduced in the Japan. So this concept says that human-centric technology or technologically supported work, human beings must be supported by the technology. Technology should not replace the human beings. So here in this particular context, that is sweeping and cleaning occupation, technology may support the human beings. If technology supports the human beings can just operate the technology. Human beings will be involved as it is there earlier, but they are not going to do any kind of dirty activities. They are just going to operate the machines, technology and equipments, and the work is done. So if this development is made, there will be the instant and better development and cleaning process. Also there will be the improvement in the human dignity, there will be the improvement in the work condition, there will be the improvement in the social well-being of the workers who are involved in the sweeping and the cleaning occupation, and there will be the equality, or there will be the evolution of the prejudice against a particular section who are involved in it. So this is how we can relate this particular occupation with the issue of social well-being, issue of economic well-being, issue of technological advancement, issue of making society a smart society. The question is, why this is important? Why this is important? That why there is a technological intervention? Because the quality of population is important. For developing a society, quality of population is important. We generally talks about the size of the population, the controlling of the size. Of course, these are very important. Size of the population must be in control. Population should be at optimum level. But at present global scenario, sociologically, we should focus on the quality of population. So quality of the population should be improved. Quality of the population will be improved if we incorporate the new developmental notions like skill, de-skill, technological skilling, efficiency, and the sustainability, human dignity, human rights, and all other aspects. So letting a section of peoples degraded because of their occupations, excluded because of their occupation, marginalized because of their occupation, is not making any sense in the process of development, in the process of well-being, in the process of the global quality of life. That is why this particular issue, the issue of cleaning job or sweeping job and technological intervention, is important. So in this way we will discuss more such issues in sociological sense. If you have any kind of views or any kind of opinions regarding this, you can put your comment in the comment box. Thank you very much. You can suggest topics too. I will make the video on the topics you will suggest. Thank you very much.